Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. Finally, Minimax has upgraded their audio models, and here are the two new models that they have added. One is Speech to HD, another one is Speech to Turbo. Those who don't know what is Minimax audio, it is basically a text to speech model and you can use this for free. And not only this Minimax audio, previously I made a video on this OpenAI FM also. So this was also an open source alternative to the 11 labs from OpenAI. So if you go to this OpenAI FM, then also you can select multiple voices and you can give the effect, tone, emotion, and you can give the script. After that, it will generate that text to speech, and also you will be able to download that. But after using this Minimax audio, I found that Minimax audio has a better capability than this OpenAI FM, and also I think this free version of this Minimax audio will give you a better experience than the 11 labs. So let's see how much capability it has to generate the speech. And here you see that this is the official post for Minimax. Minimax audio just leveled up with the new speech to model, turn any file or URL into lifelike audio instantly. So if you go to this Minimax, here you see that here in this portion you can paste any text that you want to convert into speech, and here also you will find one upload option. So if you click on this upload, here you can upload any PDF file, or if you have any website link, that also you can paste it here as a URL. And if you click on this create, now it will read that PDF or read that URL and convert that to speech, right? It is very much easy, guys. Not only that, here you see that you will be able to upload your own voice. So if you go to these voices, and after that here you see that you will find many voices here, and also you will find many languages, like there are 30 plus language is there. So if you go to their official post, they have mentioned that enjoy ultra realistic TTS in 30 plus languages with native flair, unlimited voice cloning and sub-second streaming. So here you see that all of these voices like English, Arabic, Chinese, and also let me show you French, German, Italian, Japanese, any language that you want, all of these are available. And also here you see that from this create your voice clone, if you upload your own voice, that will be also possible. And now let me show you, if I go to this text to speech option, here you see that I have pasted one text. Now another important thing is that at a time this 5000 character is possible to convert from text to speech, but if you want long text to paste, in that case here you see that one button is there, just turn it on, and after that you will be able to convert 200k character from text to speech, right? Now another interesting thing is that if you go to this voice isolated option, so after that here you see that you will be able to upload the audio file that you have, and if you have any background noise in that audio, then also it will be removed from this portion. Okay, here you see that isolate background noise to get pure speech audio for better quality, and all of these features you will get for free. So if you go to this official website minimax.io/audio, this link is given in the description, and after that here one thing you have to do, just click on this login to receive credits for free, or you can click on this sign in, and after that here you see that light mode, dark mode. Currently this light mode is selected. Now after the login you will get this 10,000 credit for free, and it is enough, guys, for your daily use. And now here you see that I have pasted one text, and after that I will select this model. Now here one thing you have to remember, that if you select this HD, then it will cost more credit, but if you select this speech to turbo, then it will cost some less credit. Here you see that 40% cheaper than the HD model. Now for this video purpose I am selecting this HD credit, okay, HD model. And after that on the right hand side here you see that there is a voice selection. Now if I click on this, here you see that here you can select any voices you want, and after that if you have uploaded your own voice, then you will find that here my voices. But for this video purpose I am selecting this trustworthy man voice. Now after that here you can change any speed, pitch and volume also, and after that click on this generate. Here you see, now if I click on this generate, okay, within a second it got generated. Now let me play this.
Isaac Newton was a brilliant scientist who lived in the 1600s. After seeing an apple fall, he discovered gravity. He also created the laws of motion and helped invent calculus. His ideas changed science forever.
So isn't it amazing? It is very good guys, and here you see that it costs only 300 credits. So first it was total 10,000 credit after the login. Now after this generation it cost around I think 220 credits, right? Yes, 220 credits. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. If you found helpful and if you want to get this type of videos more daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel and don't forget to watch the other videos also that I have already published in our channel for you guys only. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.